Hi guys.
Hi.
All right, so we're gonna do a science experiment, right?
Yeah.
All right, wait. Who do we have here first? Who's this right here?
Ryan.
And
Jack.
La. Haley. All right. So Ryan, what are we gonna make today?
We're gonna make oobleck.
Okay. And Jack, do you know what oobleck is?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a liquid thing.
It's a liquidy thing. Haley?
It's like a liquid and a solid at the same time.
Awesome. It's a liquid and a solid at the same time. So what we're going to do, it's called Oobleck from a Dr. Seuss book, Bartholomew and something. And it's about a substance that comes in and it takes over the town and they can't get rid of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off, and Jack, show me your bowl. All right, so we have a bowl. It's just water, right? And what did we add to it?
Food coloring.
Food coloring, right? And so Ryan has green and Haley has
Blue.
And that's just so we can see it better, okay? So what you guys are gonna start to do right now, in front of you, you have a bowl of, does anyone know what that is?
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch, just your regular old cornstarch. So all you need for this is cornstarch, water, some kids, some spoons, some mixing, mixing vessel, and so what we're going to start to do is we're going to add a little bit of the cornstarch at a time, and we're going to start to mix it until it starts to get to the consistency that we want. So maybe 1 scoop at a time, we'll add to it.
So up this much.
Yep. So add and stir with the wooden stirrer that you have. You're going to have to do a little bit more. So add, stir until we start to get the right consistency. And when you think you have oobleck, tell me. You're definitely going to need a couple of scoops. There's about a 1/4 cup of water in here. So we think we're probably going to need about 1/2 to 3/4 cup.
That's definitely not.
No, keep going because yours is still too liquidy, right? And you know what it's going to look like?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to let the kids do this, and when we get to the consistency, we'll be back with you. All right, Ryan, so you think that yours is ready, right? So show me what are you doing with this?
Well, I'm squeezing mine, so like make it like silly putty. See, it's a solid, little bit. And then if I let it go, watch. Ew.
Oh, so it turns from it's a solid, and then what does it do?
It turns into a liquid.
It turns into a liquid. And what is it? It turns into a liquid is it with a temperature change?
No.
No. It's from the pressure that you're applying. So, Rye, pick that up again. Show me yours.
Mm-hmm.
And then it oozes through your hands. Jack, show me yours.
What?
Can you pick it up and give it a squeeze? And then it turns to solid. Haley, how's yours?
Still getting there.
Still getting there?
Yeah.
All right, so if it's a little runny, what we need to do is just add
I have barely any cornstarch.
a little bit more cornstarch. So give it a stir. So what we're finding here is this is a type of a fluid. Some people might call it a non-Newtonian fluid.
What the heck does that mean?
Well, what that means is that it's not following the normal properties of a fluid, and it's changing from a solid to a liquid, which normally might change because of temperature change, either say, and if you have water, ice, right? So if you have water and you want to make it turn to ice, what do?
You put it in a colder temperature.
You put it in a colder temperature, right? And then if you wanted to go the other way and turn it to a gas, do you know what you would do?
No.
If you wanted to turn water into a gas, do you know what you would do?
Turn it to a hotter temperature.
That's exactly right, Jack. Good job.
But that's just
All right, so Haley, did you get it? All right, so Haley's is a little bit of a solid, and then you can see it, but then it's dripping off her hands. So what you guys just made was oobleck, and you showed how you can change what to what? A liquid to a solid,
or salt to a liquid.
and a solid to a liquid by applying what?
cornstarch. Pressure.
Pressure. Good job, guys. All right. See you later. Bye, Haley.
Bye bye.